It's here for breaking news be a eba etrese MPP for polling agents be and Yebeka a polling station chairman Sane also Yekano. That was his rightful position. He was a polling station chairman. Wewu na semia wowu ye no na nko obi beka se anase wobi wu a enye hwe the cre na nse obi beka se obi wu enye hwe na circumstances a efa so ema ne wu ye no eno ene man crofo kasa because okobo dua wobo MPP for dua late July last year video bi ko viral abrantie na wakwa akogina insio bi ho a insio no edin a ye de frɛ no eye inspector insio no your friend no bonfo but nkrofo essence friend aka inspector na to say wo kogina sa insio ne ho na wo bodua echi ebe chi osisia nti na nickname a wo mo te sa area no wo mo de ato insio ni din no inspector na abranchi a ye ka ne ho asemi abrahosem your friend Kasim ena to say wo kogina insio na ho insio ne ho a to say wo ya amamre ekita snap ene kosia a wodi ebodua bebi asemwe esiye kuro bi so aye frɛ no Bontodiase electoral area a ewo Asante Achim North na papa we dienti a wokobodua ni na ene se wo se wa bre ama MPP embra MPP wo opposition wa bre no organizing crofo no mo ya activities ama MPP wodi ni sika ehemu a wodi na ho di nhemu a bibia wodi hjem na according to ono no MPP be we need power 3 years still wo mo nya hwema no impanyifo na ewo constituency ho eye MP of that particular area Asante Achim North MP a friend no lawyer and the Apiakubi the constituency chairman eye Samson Ejay William Abuaje and other constituency executives no womo ena na branch e ka se womu didel wono de womu agya no na nini na echi no sa executives ebe suspending no because he is under the MPP se ba constituency a wo was a constituency na se wo ye polling station chairman into wo be suspending no as MPP's polling station chairman. Now reason intia ye de suspending ne say wono eko organizing crofo ama wo ma select parliamentary candidate foforo say parliamentary candidate no ye ma ne to the current MP no enu hunti because the constituency chairman of the MPP in that particular area no wo ma yo ma dwen say the current MP na no mo ne no eko ba branche e san say osusu say da bi wo mu wia ne nti na wakwa time nkrofo bi echi a wo mo de obi foforo eba enu hunti ye tron krata say ye suspend no enu ho obufuo e na Kasim Awudu wo call eye insio ya mebodin no etre wo no insio ya ye fe no bonfo a nkrofo sanso fe na inspector yi e na wo koye amamre ebodua na de aba ne say wo no Kasim ni mom e na wa fe mu wewu e na nkrofo ede kasa because you see senior wo yari ya wo wu ye no very strange ailment wo mo try so mo de ne be ko hospital wo mo kwa te say wo mu hu hwe e na wo de be fe mu wu ya ntimi nkrofo e ko ba ka say e betumi aba say de abo abranche e ko boy no e na te say enya wo no ankasa ana say nkrofo wo ko bo mu dua no e na wo ma koye bibi we chi a akọ back to the sender munti asem niye na die esiye abrante ne bodua no me pese me readi abrante na nkasa ne numu nsem etremo na wokunsu ne ho no se ne medin kan nsu ne ye friend inspector nti wokunsu ne ho na wo kan say inspector my name is Kasim Awudu a police station chairman for MPP at Bontodiase electoral area in the Asante Achim North constituency. I have suffered and sacrificed a lot for the MPP and especially during the 2016 elections. I was used by Andy Apiakubi for a lot of dirty works which saw his victory and that of the MPP as well. I was promised a job by the MP And I've waited for 3 years now, but to no avail. I recently received a letter of suspension from the party's secretary, William Sabuaje, and according to him, my offense was organizing my fellow polling station executives to campaign for a candidate in the impending parliamentary primaries. Inspector, if the MP, William Abuaje, our secretary, and other constituency executives have ever met any polling station executive and campaigned for them to vote for the current MP and the Abia Kubi and have not suspended themselves, kill all of them. Muti assembly was say one the entire suspended no and say when Nkrophobia koye meeting or any other polling station executives akoye meeting MPP for say we mo the new candidate eba and no say okay say we hunting na mo suspending me say mo so sa ade we am say maya eye boni ehunti mo suspending me no say mo so mo nye bidia insio no won kumu ni na we no so ka say these were the exact words. I will know what the two jack. In Siono, send a meeting can tell no river called Bonfu, and I walk on same way a walk. Now he continued by saying, any constituency executive or person who has planned to expunge his name from delegates' album should also be dealt with severely by the river god. There's a bullshit dear boy, yeah. Etiefo a wono angasa befemu ewu a na tre say indeed ebia na asema wode to nkrofo ne so say wo mu nso akoye meeting with the current MP no ebia na nkrofo yi ankoye meeting no. There are two things involved. It could be just mere coincidence say yes abrantie no ebia enedua bond kra na ka no ono angasa ne yawe e na wodi wuye. The son said video wo ho a wakobodua ne ntine nkrofo will attribute it to their bono. Now I don't know why all of a sudden MPP4 I say wo mo abepe duabo and then me the bra was say nkrofo bi nso a wo mo Queen Mother ko bobo MPP4 bi dua na amama kai ensem bia MPP MC ono ne general secretary MPP4 secretary John Buedu wode betu dwa wo say nansen MPP4 a wo mo bobo dua no wo mo nja san kra sesem no na nansen wo ye party ni yeti say wabodua party head nankasa ebeyi wedi every party nim because I'm sure say John Buedu nankasa nsem ne kodidi nanim a wo nankasa hu say no it is becoming unbecoming. Say mu belong to one political party. Na wo kobodua ende wa wo kobodua say nkrofo ni nwu no wo na wewu eje omo eya abrehosem na san say wo ye kremoni chese yesi wo ye kremoni o yesi wo ye kremoni nti owu ya sa de na yekosie no na obi a wo ye kremoni me de na nka menim no na kremofo sa aduabo ne nyama no wo mpe. But obi a wo ye kremoni na still ukogina nsio ho friendsio no share white the red aboti crash snap ni nkosi akobodua de I don't know, but this world is changing. Mr. Chewadin our comment box ni mo na I will keep on saying this. Assembi eni hwa ye de sekan eni twa anu ya eni ye de kan hwe even Jesus Christ and na ye nyankopon wa yesom no eto de bia nipa kra etumi bompa ye tre nyankopon ema nyankopon esesa na adwen a owo e wo san krofo ne so ebia wo bi nyankopon yi se bibi ebeto he Bible mu samo be kaya nyankopon suma difo bi se won kwa kantre wo hene bi se wo hene no aka ne nda ketu ebia wo bewu ena wo hene no ko nyankopon ni ko bompa ye nyankopon aye na adwen o so wo beku hene no na so hene no ko nyankopon nim e ko bompa ye e kasa tre nyankopon no nyankopon ka say oh me de about 15 years aka wo life inti etrese even nyankopon kra wo ne unya asemo a uko nanim na wo ko pacho na wo ne ekasa wo de chew assemble pa na aba untumi nka a eno hunti wo be kwa kofa kosia ne snap se bu ko bodia enye obia na yebo ni dia e ka no ebia wasem ye de na so be kwa ko bodia no ne nipa ko no wo onkasa nkrofo na yebo mu dia ne hu bi ubon sa afi e be back to sender ne dia boy aba be kan na so ebia na wasem ye do ba wo ko bodia ne ntino dia bo na aba be kum ebia nipa ko wo ko bo ni dia no wo sofu bia wo sofu no eye good ubo ni dia na sofu ne trend say dia bo bi ba na mema wa kwantre ne nko back to the sender afei wa wasem ye de no esanse we hu kana wo feel say eduabo na wo de beka wasem ni ntino ne duabo na ba back to you na ba be kun onti ase da Montreal mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo etiefo. It has.